Netflix was literally paying me over $20,000 a month, and I shut it down cold turkey to start an e-commerce store. And I'm going to show you exactly how and why right now. Let's go.
Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
What's up, everyone? Adrian Morrison here with another training on internet marketing with a bit of a twist. Today, I'm going to talk about why I shut down an affiliate marketing business that I started back in college marketing Netflix, American Express, and other big companies that was earning me over $20,000 per month. And I shut it down cold turkey so I could fully focus on dropshipping and Shopify. This is going to absolutely blow your mind. Listen, while everyone else in college was watching DVDs on Netflix, yes, I said it, DVDs, I was making $20,000 a month marketing Netflix from my apartment in Oxford, Mississippi. But this business did not come without its pitfalls. And before we get into all of that, if you're new here and you've always wanted to learn how to make money online through e-commerce and internet marketing, you're in the right place. As I said, my name's Adrian Morrison, and I've been running e-commerce stores for close to a decade. And I decided to create this channel not long ago, which allows me to share everything that I've learned and how you can get started as a complete beginner from my experience. I've actually trained so many people so successfully that Shopify has endorsed me as one of their top educators, literally on Shopify.com. You can see my face. And that's because so many students that have gone through my training have actually gotten started, and many have seen success. So you know that you're learning from someone who you can trust because, well, it's verified directly by Shopify. And it's because I'm really good at teaching this stuff as well. So it's that kind of content that you're going to be getting here on this channel. So go ahead and smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and make sure that you don't miss any of our future trainings. All right, now let's get into it. How was I making $20,000+ a month with Netflix in college? And why did I shut down the business cold turkey to start an e-commerce store? So what I want to do real fast is I want to go to my computer screen, and if you're new and you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I want to explain that to you real fast. So affiliate marketing is a cool concept for people to get started with because what it allows you to do is make money promoting somebody else's business. So you're like a middleman of sorts. And affiliate marketing is all performance based. So if you look over here on the definition on Google, it says affiliate marketing is a type of performance based business that rewards affiliates for each visitor or customer, or even people that get free trials. So in a lot of cases with affiliate marketing, you don't even have to get people to buy anything, right? You can get paid just for getting them to sign up for free products, which is really appealing, and that's why I started. But that said, I want to talk about a couple of other things that are important to about this business, some of the pros, if you will. So pull me back up full screen here. On affiliate marketing, one of the pros was you don't have to have a website or a real business. So I literally could just open up my laptop and start writing ads on Facebook and on Google and make money, right? So that was a big pro for me, is no website to maintain. The other pro was it doesn't require any support. So I didn't have to have support staff or answer emails. Nobody knew who I was, right? They were all signing up for Netflix and American Express and Beyond the Rack, which was a shopping website. And I was just getting paid in between. I liked being a middleman, which was another pro, because it just meant that all I had to do was focus on traffic, get people from point A to point B. And the other big pro about this was I was able to leverage other big brands. I mean, Netflix was marketing everywhere. They were sending out mail, they were doing TV spots and commercials, and you got programs like Best Buy and other big affiliate programs that would essentially do all this marketing, and then I just got to tap into that, leverage their audience, leverage their brand, and I could get paid. Now, the second piece was I was using Google AdWords. So people that were going to Google and searching for these brands like Best Buy, Netflix, applying for American Express credit cards, well, I could make sure that they saw my ad first, right? So in other words, when they went to Google and typed in Netflix, I would be at the tip top because I paid to be there, and I could get this traffic for pennies on the dollar. And every time somebody would sign up for a Netflix free trial, I would get essentially about $20 to $25. Now, in college, I was putting these little ads on Google, and I was making bank at the time for a college kid, 20 G's a month, failing and flunking all of my classes, and not caring about it because I was making more money in college than I ever thought I would make as an attorney if I got into law school, which I didn't. And the idea of this to me was amazing when I got started, but I found that there were some pitfalls too, and I'm not going to get to those just yet. I want to go back into the computer and I want to show you a little bit more about specifically how I made money with Netflix, because it's a really cool trick that I used. All right, so let's go back on my computer now, and I want to show you something I discovered. I used snail mail, yes, actual snail mail that was coming to my physical mailbox to come up with this strategy, because most people that were advertising Netflix and paying for ads and any of these other companies would come to Google and they would type in something like Netflix, okay? So when you type in Netflix, the number one thing that's going to come up is netflix.com. And below this, you're going to see a lot of other ads and stuff like that for Netflix, all right? But this is what most people are typing in if they want to go join Netflix, right? Now, what I discovered is a really cool ethical hack to finding the most profitable traffic on Google without having to compete with other people, really. So I got a piece of mail in, and the piece of mail that I got, I looked up all of these different screenshots of it because tons of people have posted this on Google since, but I got in a piece of mail, and essentially the mail looks something like this. Now you'll notice that the date on this image here, let me see if I can make it really big. The date on this specific image here is like all the way back at 2012. But you'll notice that it says, if you go to netflix.com/special offer, then you can get a free trial. So Netflix at one point and all these other companies were sending snail mail to prospects. And what I found is that a lot of people were going to Google and they were typing in netflix.com/special offer, right? Or whatever code was on that card. Instead of typing it in the URL bar in their Internet Explorer or Safari or Chrome or Firefox, whatever it may have been, they were actually typing it in Google. And so a couple of things that were important about this is if somebody got a piece of physical mail and it said go to this website address to claim your free offer, gets on their computer and goes and types it in Google, right? Wouldn't you agree that they are very interested in that offer? Yes or no, right? And I get paid if people click on my affiliate link, they click on my ad, and they sign up for Netflix. It was that simple. All I had to do was make sure the right people saw the ad. All the other work was done for me. So what I did is I started running very, very cheap ads starting out at $5 a day on Google. So whenever somebody would go to Google and type in netflix.com/special offer, you'll see it right here. This is where my website, or not my website, but my ad would come up. I didn't have a website. They click my ad, it go through a tracking link straight to Netflix. If they sign up, then your boy gets $25 commissions for a lead. And if I scroll down here, you'll see there are still websites that are doing this right now. Like all of these websites on this keyword here, they're still promoting the affiliate program, or these might be really old websites. I don't know. But I have my ad here with zero competition. Netflix was not even bidding and marketing on this key term in Google, and I was just making bank. But this leads me to the pitfalls, right? This leads me to the pitfalls of affiliate marketing and why I started a drop shipping business, okay? So I was making so much money so fast with Netflix and these other programs I use similar strategies for that the companies were actually reaching out to me and saying, how are you doing this? How are you getting every person that clicks on your ad to sign up, or 80%, or whatever the ridiculous conversion rate was? I mean, because your average conversion rate on an ad is going to be like 10% or below. So they were intrigued with how my traffic was converting at such a high rate. And well, you know, I was a kid, I was in college, I was stupid, And I told them what I was doing. I said, oh yeah, I'm just bidding on netflix.com/special offer. And my ad shows up there, and this is where you're sending qualified people through mail. So these are people that are coming directly to sign up for Netflix, and I'm just making sure they go through my link. Well, in comes the pitfall. They said, you know what? A month later or so, they updated their terms, and they're like, you cannot advertise using these keywords or our website name. And it's just the evolution of marketing, right? They thought to themselves, I'm sure any smart business would, hey, why would I let our affiliates promote on this keyword when we could just do it ourselves? Like, let's let them go for all the hard traffic, and let's get that low-hanging fruit for ourselves and restrict them from doing it. So overnight, I went from 20K a month to zero. I remember I was actually in the gym working out. Life is good. You know, I'm lifting some weights, and I get this email from my affiliate manager, the manager that managed my account. And she was like, hey, Netflix doesn't want you advertising on Google anymore using these key terms. Boom, I'm done. I'm toast. And I'm like in a tailspin here, wondering like, what's going to happen? This is where the shift and mindset came here, and why I love Shopify and dropshipping so much. So the number one pitfall of this is that you don't actually have a real business if you're an affiliate marketer, in my opinion, right? I mean, it's in control by someone else, not you. You're a middleman. You don't own anything. So that also means that you can't sell your business. If you're an affiliate marketer, how can you sell being a middleman? You're really just always chasing money. You're hustling. You don't have control over the payouts that you get. You don't have control over the offers that are available. Different affiliate offers come and they go. Your payouts will go up and will go down. I mean, there's no consistency. It really is a roller coaster business. I mean, literally, you can go to sleep one night in affiliate marketing making bank, and then wake up the next day with nothing to show for it. Absolutely zero, because some affiliate company or some big brand changed their terms or ended their affiliate program. I mean, it's actually kind of scary. So affiliate marketing is a great side hustle, but it's not something designed for longevity and stability. I mean, it's a grind and it's not predictable. So while I was running this business, which I profited very handsomely from, and I'm very grateful for it, I discovered e-commerce, and I discovered Shopify and dropshipping. And then I realized dropshipping is just like affiliate marketing with one more simple step. That's just making sure a customer gets a product. But it didn't have any of the pitfalls that affiliate marketing had, and it gave me the ability to make more money, right? So when I saw I didn't even have to do the shipping, because I could go to AliExpress and get drop shippers and never see, touch, or ship a product myself, I was like, this is affiliate marketing, but with none of the pitfalls. I saw that I didn't have to build a website because Shopify is turnkey. You literally create a Shopify account and everything is pretty much done for you. The templates are there. You just have to choose what your color scheme is, what your logo is going to be for your brand name, and you've got to list some products on there which can be automated with apps like Zendrop and Oberlo. So it really is like turnkey. And I think one of the important things to note if you're wanting to start an e-commerce business is that you start small and then you scale fast. That's my model for Shopify, right? It's like, you sketch everything out first. And if you like what you see, you color it in and you perfect it. So don't overcomplicate something that is so simple like Shopify and e-commerce. I mean, most people fail because they overcomplicate everything and they never get started. Starting your own Shopify store from home is really simple. You can start a store with Shopify's 14-day trial. I have a link below this video. It's my partner link with them. You can click that and get started. And within a few clicks, seriously, you have the framework of a store up and running, and you can legit have products to sell and traffic in less than 24 hours. But listen, it's not magic, okay? Over time, you'll perfect your Shopify store. You'll test products, find more profitable niches, and your store is going to evolve. So remember, the most important factor in becoming successful with e-commerce is just getting started. I once heard someone say, you don't have to be great to get started, but you do have to get started in order to become great. I want you to think about that, right? Starting a Shopify store gives you all of the pros and none of the cons, which means number one, you're building your own brand, which you can sell one day. People sell Shopify and e-commerce stores every single month. You see massive sales coming in. So think about getting all this traffic, profiting handsomely from it, and then selling your business one day for a big payday. You get to build an email list, so you're not reliant on, paying for ads on Facebook or paying for ads on Google. You're in control of the products you sell and the profit margins that you sell them at. So when you're running an e-com store and you're a drop shipper, you have all of the control over your profit margins. Netflix can't come in, or some other affiliate offer can't come in and say, hey, we're decreasing your payout, or hey, you can't market here anymore or do this anymore, right? Those were the pitfalls that kept my affiliate business doing this. But with Shopify, I'm able to build a real business. I have longevity, stability, I have security. I never see, touch, or ship any products. And I have complete and total control. I have the ability to get free traffic by building an email list. And it's just as simple, if not simpler, than what I was doing with affiliate marketing with none of the stress. I wake up every day with my Shopify store and I know exactly just about how much money we're going to make every single day. And that is what I love about Shopify. But if you are getting started, remember, start small. Sketch it out, and then you can scale and you can color things in if you like what you see. And while you can spend months learning how to write ads and build out the most highest converting, tweaked out, supercharged Shopify store, it will happen over time. What will make this process go way faster is if you just steal my template. So when you click a link in the description below, you can actually get a free $100 a day case study that I always talk about on these videos, showing you the exact product that I'm drop shipping from AliExpress, what it looks like listed on my store, what the Facebook ad looks like, and how I got it to get to $100 a day. You literally can copy and paste the exact same 3 to 4 step funnel and have it live probably within 24 hours or less. You can learn how to start selling the same products that I personally sell. The Shopify settings that I have set up, while are easy, you don't know what it is you don't know. So you want to mimic success. And you can even see the types of ads that I use and exactly how I am promoting them. Look, you don't need more trainings. If you want to make more money online, you need to see behind the curtain. And you need to see what someone who's actually practicing what they preach is actually doing right now. And that's exactly what I show you on that case study below this description here. So you can start your store and you can check out that case study. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this all makes sense and why I shut down a business that was making me over $20,000 a month, because it was not predictable. It was not a real business. It was a side hustle. So I love affiliate marketing. I'm very thankful for getting into affiliate marketing, but Shopify, e-commerce, that's where the future is. We're building a real brand. We can do it easily with the tools that Shopify and dropshipping make available to us. And we have longevity, stability, and security. And we can really create a predictable business that we can cash out on one day if we ever sell that business, because we own it. So if you like this video, comment below. Let me know, what did you like about this? Do you think I'm crazy for shutting down an affiliate marketing business that was making me boatloads of cash to focus on Shopify? Do you think that was smart? Just let me know your thoughts in the comments. I love reading them. Remember, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss our next video. I drop them every single week completely free, so you don't want to miss that content. And hit the bell and turn on notifications, because we're going to be doing some contests in the future for those that comment first below the video, giving away some courses and cash giveaways and whatnot. So again, this is Adrian Morrison. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next week.